next gizmo I bought, this is just, I'm putting this in my store. This is a vintage time card slot, which is pretty cool. It's just to put time cards in. That's all it is, really. Just put your time cards in there. It's old and painted. It's got a little paint on it. It's got snow all over it. Thanks to somebody. Move this up a little.
Hey, you got
See? Ta-da! Look at that. Somebody's taking over all my video space here.
No, no.
Anyway, that's all I got. Kind of a cool thing. I like buying this old stuff. It's that's what it is, an old time card thing. See, even it comes with time cards. I don't know if these are vintage or not, but yeah. I can hire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I can only hire 12 people. You be quiet. I'm making a video. 12 people. That's all I can hire. They're all fired. Everybody's fired. Anyway, put that there for now. We also have a bonus today. We have Chewbacca Jelly Bellies.
I bought it for him.
Yeah, because I really need more sugar, right? I'm already sweet enough, right? Okay, that's the end of that video. Ta-da! Cool.
Chewy on it.
Say chewy.
Chewy.
Don't forget to subscribe for some chewiness. Thanks for watching.